How to redeem a code on Steam. So here is how to do so for games, wallet funds or gift cards. Open any web browser. Now all you have to do is in the search address bar type down redeem a Steam code or redeem a code on Steam and simply hit enter and search for it. Now all you have to do is you can see redeem your Steam code option available at the top. Now tap on it and navigate to its official website. Now there you can see a box available. Enter your Steam code found on a gift card, game box or digital receipt. Then all you have to do is click on the confirm or next to redeem it, and Steam will confirm if the activation is successful. The game or funds will be added to your account immediately. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.